Embrace's Web RUM solution helps you monitor, analyze, and troubleshoot your core web vital metrics. Let's take a look at how. Embrace automatically captures core web vitals for your web app and displays them according to Google's performance thresholds. So you'll see if your average core web vital scores are good, neutral, or poor at a glance. Core Web Vitals consist of LCP, which stands for Largest Contentful Paint and measures how quickly your page loads, CLS, which stands for Cumulative Layout Shift and measures stability of elements on your page, and INP, Interaction to Next Paint, which measures quickness to interactivity. Core Web Vital scores are listed for each URL in your web app. You can filter by different properties, such as browser, for more granular analysis. Here we've filtered the list of URLs by Chrome sessions only. Let's now deep dive into a unique URL to analyze all of the instances of one of its core web vital scores. In this case, we'll click on this 5.4 second P75 metric for LCP and investigate why it's so high for the sign-in page. Now, we're looking at the detailed view of LCP for this specific page from our website, the sign-in page. You can see top-line stats, as well as a list of all instances of this page view across all user sessions. As you can see in the instances list, Embrace actually identifies the specific DOM element that's driving your LCP score, taking a lot of the guesswork out of the process to understand what's causing this latency. Let's now click into this sign-in page instance where LCP was tracked at 4.6 seconds, a score that's considered poor, so we can troubleshoot it with better context. Clicking into that LCP instance opens up the user session that generated that specific data via the user timeline. The user timeline is a full trail of all the technical and behavioral events across a user's session. The user timeline lets you analyze any event, like this unique LCP score for the sign-in page, with the full context of all other technical and behavioral events, like network calls or third-party SDK activity. Clicking into the LCP score instance, you can again see the DOM element responsible for driving the score, as well as a list of all the resources fetched as this page loaded. Considering how many resources were fetched here, it's unsurprising that our page experienced quite a bit of latency to load this content. As you can see, the user timeline gives you ultra-granular session context to help you troubleshoot any core web vital issue. You're now on your way to optimizing core web vitals and improving the web experience for your end users. Be sure to check out our other product videos for web to see how you can track and resolve other types of issues.